He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. And this is the nicest day we've had so far, with spring coming and winter about to disappear. So I'm glad old man winter is about to go away for a little while. It's been pretty cold here in the Midwest, winds blowing and stuff like that. So, and it's been a while since I did a video of any type. So I've been really busy. And then just to kind of keep you guys up to speed on what's been going on. You know, I had some health issues going on, so I was in the hospital for a few days trying to take care of that. And but I'm back now. I'm good. I'm on the road to recovery and stuff. And so just some slight lifestyle changes, and I'll be good to go. So, but today we're going to be doing some wings, and we're going to be doing them out here on the RECTEQ Bullseye here. And it's a simple cook today, so just to get out here, watch a little UFL football, and get some wings going. And I'm going to do a seafood boil for the wife as well. But I'm trying to reduce, or eliminate sugar in my diet. So what I did was, we're only doing a handful of wings today because I'm the only one that's eating, okay? And we season our wings with a seasoning or a rub of kosher salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder. Okay, that seems to be one of my favorites so far. While I'm experimenting with making rubs and stuff like this. So what we're gonna do is we got some normal RECTEQ pellets in here. We're gonna smoke our wings at 275 degrees or so. And we're at the end, we are going to dip these or toss these. We're gonna toss them once they come off. Well, I think I'm gonna wait till they get almost done. I'm gonna toss them in this sauce, and I'll put them back on the smoker here to see and try to caramelize, even though this is supposed to be sugar free. So we are going to be testing out the Hughes sugar free dipping sauce, Polynesian flavor. Okay, so like I said, I've been removing sugar from my diet, and so these Hughes sauces and salad dressings and barbecue sauce and stuff are really good, and they don't have any sugar in them. And so this has been kind of becoming a staple in the house for me. Okay, so we're gonna make some Polynesian wings, sugar free. So we've already seasoned our wings. Let's get them on the RECTEQ, and we'll see how this thing turns out. All right, we got our sugar-free Polynesian dipping sauce here. We're going to use as a glaze. Got our wings that are almost done. Well, actually, they are done. We're going to hit them with some sauce and toss them back on here for a few minutes, just enough for the sauce to warm through. Sauce is a little thicker than I thought it was going to be. That's okay. We're going to throw our hands in here and get it mixed up. Get them back on here right quick. All right, we're gonna give those another 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them off and have a taste test. All right, guys, so after a couple hours of being on the RECTEQ Bullseye, our wings are done. The Polynesian sugar-free dipping sauce that we used as a glaze or a barbecue sauce has, you know, kind of adhered to the chicken wings, so they look really good. So we're going to go ahead and have a taste test. These smell fantastic, though. Man, can't wait to taste them. All right. Wings are nice and tender. Wow, this is a really good sauce, man. This Polynesian sauce, even though it's sugar-free, it's got some sweetness to it. It's got a great depth of flavor. And what I like about this here is that with the paprika and chili powder that we put in the seasoning, it's working really well with this Polynesian dipping sauce. Man, it tastes a great combination. I had to give this cook. This cook would be a 9. Actually, I have to put this down in my recipe, so and use this in the future. But I can't recommend enough the Hughes sugar-free line. Like I said, this is the Polynesian dipping sauce. 2 carbs per serving. Okay, and it's gluten-free. From award-winning pitmaster Hughes. Okay, so you know, like, you know, for folks who are diabetic or whatever out there, man, and trying to not find any put any sugar in their diet, and this may be a great substitute for barbecue sauces and stuff like that, though. So okay, well, that's all we have time for. You know, hopefully we can make more videos and keep Bad Beast rolling. Hopefully we didn't lose any of you guys, and like I said, you know, pass the word and let folks know that we're still out here. Okay, well, like we always say, where there's smoke there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.